Hi everybody, today I'm making risotto, which is a rice dish. Italian used to make it in marriages. People get confused between risotto and ricotta cheese. Ricotta cheese is a wheat cheese, and risotto is a rice-based dish which they used to make it in marriages. It's more about garlic, rice, cheese, uh, or and olive oil, piri piri, oregano, and whichever meat you want to use. So let's make risotto with ricotta cheese. Okay, guys. So what I'm doing now, I'm frying garlic, green chilies, and I put the mince in between. Just get it steamed so it's really cooked without breaking it, so it will absorb the spices which have already mixed in it, garlic, ginger, and peri. Thanks. I have already boiled the rice, but you need to keep the rice strong. Do not cook them fully, okay? This is very important. You can see that how the mince become almost like kofta. This is important that you should not overcook the mince. Otherwise, it tastes like keema, not not risotto. So cook it lightly. Just get rid of the meat smell, and that is done. Thanks. Now the rice and mince or meat is ready. I'm opening now ricotta cheese. I think I'm a bit short, but let's try. It's one of my favorite cheese. It's very creamy, and Italian are making it from last 2000 years. Excellent product. So I'm mixing it now with rice and meat which is already cooking, and put some milk here now to make it more, I will say, soft, and what you call it, to give it more cheesy taste, I will say, or I will say creamy taste. Later I will put some cream also. Now I'm putting some cream. Actually I'm compensating it somewhat for ricotta cheese. And also people love in Pakistan creamy product. So it's they are not so used to with the cheese. So what I can say, I customize the flavor. Now I put some oregano and some peri and spices to give it more local flavor on it. I don't have saffron, but otherwise I will love to put saffron. You can see that now it's become creamy and thick. This is very important that the rice will not be broken. Now it's ready, guys, so let's enjoy.